changing water into wine.
Miracle number one.
Miracle number one. Miracle number two. Healing the son of the Roman official.
Yes.
Miracle number three. Sending the man that was handicapped for 38 years to the pools of Bethesda, and he started walking. Miracle number four. Feeding the 5,000. Multiply the bread, the 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. Miracle number 5. How do I remember that? Miracle number 5. Walking on the water. Miracle number 6. Sending the man that was born blind to the pool of Siloam, put mud on his eyes, and he started to see. And the miracle number 7, the most important one, is the miracle of the resurrection of Lazarus before the entry to Jerusalem.
Yes.
You can see how he's building up, John, from miracle, wine, water, later up, he's going up, curing.
Yes.
Then he is feeding people,
Yes.
like Moses multiplied, like Moses gave to the manna to the Israelites in the desert.
Yes.
And the most important one is like God, resurrecting somebody from his death. More than that,
Yes.
you know, in Judaism, if all the resurrection of Jesus, beside his resurrection and the resurrection of Lazarus,
Yes.
is within 24 hours. The resurrection of Lazarus is after 3 days. Therefore he said, Lazarus, come forth.
Yes.
Okay.
I got that one.
You got that one. Anyhow,
Oh,
because in Judaism, the soul leaves the body after 3 days.
Yes.
So it means that Lazarus was completely dead,
Gone.
not within 24 hours. After 3 days, he resurrected. So this is like God.
Yes.
And you see how John built it up
Yeah.
in his gospel.
That's right.
Why John? Because John could be that this is the John, the son of Zebedee, one of his disciples, that he wrote it, could be. And he is the oldest one, and he writes last one.
Yeah.
When he writes, he knows already what Matthew, Mark, and Luke wrote. He knows very well the Old Testament and New Testament, and he wants to sum up everything. So he has a dogma to build it up in a way that a Christian will read his gospel, will reach it, will understand it, will get the message. Okay? So if he is the John from one of the disciples, he was with Jesus. So he has a look back, perspective look, and he knows. Okay? So here to the right is the, very soon we passed, not yet, yes, no, with Mount of Beatitudes. We are climbing up all the way. We passed the mount. We're going now north, north, north. Look how we do land reclamation, how we clear the rocks, and we plant trees. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
So we paused in Mount of